Okay, when you've got electrics all through the ceiling and no consumer yet in your garage and you're running everything off of one plug, you need to test the circuits before you commit to putting the panels up and no longer having access. So here's a little tip for you. What we're going to do, we're going to connect this to a plug using Wago connectors. Just sheathe the earth and make sure we put the wires into the right one. So earth is over there. Now I can't recommend this from a safety perspective. So we've got my Wagos, I've got my plug. Let's give it a test. So now that worked. I can test all of my circuits with the roof panels up and be sure that there's no issues. So when the Sparky comes to check out my electrics, it's all good.